I've developed an artificial meniscus that has shock absorbing networks, which can be tailored to parameters such as a person's weight and activity level. The size and shape of the implant is based on a CT scan that's taken of the contralateral meniscus. This anatomy can then be mirrored, and additional internal frameworks can be incorporated using an implicit modeling software. I envision this technology being a major disruptor in the artificial meniscus market in the coming years. I hope that the MyMeniscus implant not only is able to restore the full range of motion in these patients, but is also able to reduce the likelihood of subsequent surgery. I love inventing because I'm able to challenge the status quo and combine technical skills with creativity to develop novel solutions.